Can I get Disney Plus on Sharp TV? Disney Plus is available on certain Sharp TVs, but its compatibility depends on the model and operating system. If your Sharp TV supports streaming apps like Netflix and YouTube, there is a good chance that you can download Disney Plus. However, older models may require alternative methods to access the service. 1. Checking if your Sharp TV supports Disney Plus. Sharp TVs come with different operating systems, including Android TV, Roku TV, and Aquos Net Plus. If your Sharp TV runs on Android TV or Roku TV, you can download Disney Plus from the respective app store. However, older Sharp TVs using Aquos Net Plus may not support the app. To check compatibility, visit your TV's app store and search for Disney Plus. 2. Installing Disney Plus on a supported Sharp TV. If your Sharp TV is compatible, follow these steps to install Disney Plus. Press the Home button on your Sharp TV remote. Navigate to the Google Play Store for Android TV or the Roku Channel Store for Roku TV. Search for Disney Plus and select it. Click Install and wait for the download to complete. Open the app, log in with your Disney Plus account, and start streaming. 3. Using an external device for Disney Plus. If your Sharp TV does not support Disney Plus, you can use an external streaming device such as a Roku stick, Amazon Fire Stick, Chromecast, Apple TV, or a gaming console like PlayStation or Xbox. Connect the device to your TV, install the Disney Plus app, and sign into your account. 4. Casting Disney Plus from another device. If your Sharp TV supports screen mirroring or has built-in Chromecast, you can cast Disney Plus from a smartphone, tablet, or computer. Ensure your mobile device and TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, then open the Disney Plus app, tap the cast icon, and select your TV. If your Sharp TV is compatible, you can install Disney Plus directly. If not, external devices or screen mirroring offer alternative ways to access the streaming service. Checking your TV's capabilities will help you find the best way to enjoy Disney Plus content.